Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics optional for Upsc step by step. Start by mapping the syllabus into core themes, then break topics into weekly goals and daily tasks. Focus on concepts first, then apply them with answer writing and past papers. Use a mix of textbooks, class notes, and standard graphs. Review weak areas every weekend and track improvements to stay consistent and confident. Build a strong foundation by studying core micro and macro concepts in a single reliable textbook, then supplement with class notes. Create concise summaries and formula sheets to aid memory and quick revision. Use diagrams and flowcharts for demand, supply, inflation, and growth. Regularly compare multiple sources for differing perspectives, but avoid switching books too often to maintain continuity and depth in understanding. Practice is essential. Schedule timed answer writing sessions and simulate exam conditions monthly. Learn to structure answers with a brief introduction, relevant theory, diagrams where helpful, and a concise conclusion. Record common question themes and prepare model answers for each theme. Review and refine answers based on feedback from mentors or peers to sharpen analysis, use of examples, and time management ahead of the main exams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.